Hello everyone! Today we have a lot of important US immigration updates to discuss and analyze, so make sure you watch this video until the very end because you won't want to miss any of these major developments. Are major changes coming to the asylum system? Let's take a look. The Trump administration is reportedly considering a significant change to the US asylum process that could make it more difficult for some immigrants to seek protection in the US. What is the proposed change? According to internal government documents obtained by CBS News, immigration officials may soon be authorized to reject certain asylum applications without conducting an interview. Currently, asylum officers generally interview applicants before making a decision. Under the proposed policy, some cases could be denied much more quickly. Who will be affected by these changes? The proposal primarily targets individuals who file for asylum more than 1 year after arriving in the U.S. Federal law generally requires asylum applications to be submitted within 1 year of entry, although several important exceptions exist. Manhalk, exceptions to the 1-year deadline. Applicants may still qualify for asylum if they can demonstrate valid reasons for filing late, including extraordinary circumstances, significant life changes, medical conditions, or emergencies. Other legally recognized exceptions. Now, let's talk about how this new process will work. Under the proposed policy, asylum officers would first determine whether an application was filed within the required timeframe before scheduling an interview. If officers conclude that the application was filed too late and that no exception applies, they could deny the case without giving the applicant an opportunity to explain their circumstances during an interview. Supporters say it will reduce backlogs. Supporters of the proposal argue that the change would help reduce the massive asylum case backlog and allow immigration authorities to process cases more efficiently. Critics raise due process concerns. Opponents argue that the policy could prevent legitimate asylum seekers from fully presenting their claims and may raise serious due process concerns. For immigrants and their families, the proposal underscores the importance of filing asylum applications on time, maintaining records of any circumstances that cause delays, understanding potential exceptions to the filing deadline. At this time, the policy remains a proposal and has not been implemented. However, if approved, it could significantly impact future asylum applications and the way asylum claims are processed in the United States. Now let's talk about how the new green card rule could affect U.S. military families. The Trump administration has introduced a new rule that may require many people applying for a green card to leave the U.S. and apply from their home country instead of adjusting status inside the U.S. This is a big shift from the old system where applicants, especially spouses of U.S. citizens, workers on H-1B visas, and long-term residents, could stay in America while their case was processed. Under this change, USCIS officers are being told to use stricter case-by-case discretion. Only people showing strong factors like economic benefit, national interest, or serious hardship may be allowed to stay and complete their process inside the U.S. Others may be forced to go abroad, wait for consular interviews, and risk delays or even denials. This is especially important for military families. If a service member's spouse is a green card applicant, they may face separation, uncertainty, and travel disruption during deployment. Officials say this is meant to tighten immigration control, but critics warn it could increase backlogs and hardship. Are green card holders still being arrested? A recent news report has raised fresh concerns. Let's take a closer look at what's happening and what it could mean for lawful permanent residents in the United States. According to a Newsweek report, a green card holder was arrested by ICE at a U.S. airport and later moved across multiple detention facilities while shackled, raising serious concerns about treatment and due process. Immigration lawyers say lawful permanent residents still have rights but can face detention during checks or alleged issues. The case highlights confusion in the system, emotional distress for families, and the importance of carrying documents, knowing your rights, and contacting an attorney immediately. Experts warn travelers to stay prepared, as immigration enforcement actions can happen unexpectedly even to green card holders in today's strict system U.S. Now, let's talk about our second topic, which is Trump's new green card rule. Over 7 lakh Indians in shock. The U.S. immigration system has taken a shocking turn. A new policy linked to the Trump administration is creating uncertainty for over 7 lakh Indian green card applicants. Here's what changed. Many people already living in the US on H-1B, student, or work visas may now be required to leave America and complete their green card process from their home country, instead of adjusting status inside the US. This sudden shift has created panic because most applications are already stuck in long backlogs, including family-based and employment-based cases. For Indian applicants, the impact is huge. Indians make up one of the largest groups in the green card queue, and many have been waiting for years while living, working, and raising families in the US. Now the biggest problem is uncertainty. The government has not clearly said whether this rule applies to new applicants or also pending cases. This means possible delays, job disruption, travel risks, and even family separation. As an immigration lawyer would say, don't panic, but stay informed and prepare for changes ahead. So, let's move on to our final topic for today. We've already covered this news in a previous video, so be sure to check out that video as well for additional details and background information. USCIS created confusion with a new green card memo suggesting applicants must apply from their home country. DHS now clarifies, not all immigrants must leave the US. It's case by case. Many can stay during processing. No blanket rule. Immigration lawyers call it a partial rollback. System remains flexible under officer discretion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you.